Why Makhumalo start acting strange since season 8, not supporting Musamseleku. At that night, Musamseleku announcing about Makwela, the wife number 5. Musamseleku was sleeping at Macele's house on Sea Park. Musamseleku go and drop Macele. After dropping Macele, was checking Mangwawe. Mangwawe, Mayeni and Makhumalo, they are staying in the same compound. But Musamseleku chose to check Mangwabe and Mayeni, and he was very desperate because he checked Mangwabe. He told Mangwabe not to leave him what, and after checking Mangwabe was okay. He checked Mayeni was not there. When he saw that Mayeni was not there, he want to cry. He didn't check Makhumalo. He go back at Sea Park to sleep at Macele's house. He didn't check Makhumalo. Even Makhumalo was not threatening him to leave him. But Musamseleku have supposed to do those things because Makhumalo is like other wives. So Mangwabe told Makhumalo that after that night, Musamseleku came and checked her. And Mangwabe, she is staying near Mayeni. And Mangwabe saw Musamseleku was at Mayeni's house checking. Mangwabe told Makhumalo. That's why Makhumalo started acting strange, go opposite to Musamseleku, doesn't support Musamseleku because he was treating her like something. Musamseleku, you have to think about that day he treat Makhumalo. It's that day Makhumalo start not supporting Musamseleku, stop supporting him because the way he is treating her. That's why Makhumalo on Diaries was explaining that the way Musamseleku was treating me and the way Musamseleku is treating other wives is different because he treat other wives as the queens. Musamseleku says Makhumalo didn't threatening him to leave him, but he is supposed to check here that she is okay. It's not about Makhumalo. He knows that Makhumalo can hide the way she feels or she is yet, but she can't show him that she is yet. But you have to check here or to comfort her that Makhumalo, you are okay about the wife number 5. And he knows that Musamseleku made a mistake. He took Makwela, they are coming from the same place with Makhumalo, didn't check here. That's why Musamseleku started supporting Mayeni at the last episode. Makhumalo was angry long time about that thing Musamseleku did to check Mangwabe and Mayeni, and he didn't check Makhumalo. So Makhumalo was waiting at the day Musamseleku start harassing her, and Makhumalo can say, you treat me like you don't respect people who respect you. Makhumalo say many that words she was saying. Makhumalo say a lot of things. Some of the things Makhumalo can't say it. You understand? That's why you saw Makhumalo on season 9. Makhumalo start saying many things that Musamseleku used to me what Makhumalo, she is done, and Musamseleku told Makhumalo that I can live. He showed Makhumalo that he can live without Makhumalo. After that fight on last episode on season 8, they have got 5 months, 6 months. Those people, they are not together. Musamseleku was not feasting Makhumalo. So, guys, it was very painful to Makhumalo. Makhumalo all the time, she was keeping quiet. That's why you saw Makhumalo was starting acting strange. Even Makhumalo didn't watch Utando Nestembo. Musamseleku can think that Makhumalo can watch it next time. But Makhumalo, Mangwabe told Makhumalo, even, guys, you know that sometimes you have to think Musamseleku, he can't go to check Mangwabe and didn't check Makhumalo. And he did it again on season 9. He was at Mangwabe's house. He told Makhumalo that I can't come to your house. But Makhumalo was shocked to saw Mangwabe, Musamseleku at Mangwabe's house in Durban. And you know those people are friends. So Musamseleku sometimes you have to think the way he is treating Makhumalo. And people will start blaming Makhumalo that she is disrespectful. Makhumalo was celebrating other men than Musamseleku at that day at awards. Makhumalo want Musamseleku to feel the same pain he was treating her. Because Musamseleku, the way he is treating Makhumalo, he is going to regret it because you was the one who started treating her like a stranger, and now she is doing the same thing.